In this video, we'll be looking at how JBL's passive line array columns with Constant Beamwidth Technology, or CBT, can help optimize intelligibility in challenging environments, whilst maintaining even coverage pattern and providing excellent sonic performance.
There are several common issues that we may face as sound system designers. We might be limited by loudspeaker mounting locations and cable routes. This could be due to architectural constraints, limitations of working with a heritage building, or simply that there isn't a wall or a ceiling where we want one. It may be that the building may be made of hard or polished surfaces such as glass, stone or concrete, and that reflect sound and cause reverberation. Even if a space is relatively acoustically absorptive, you might find that the background noise from people or equipment is surprisingly loud.
The performance aspirations of the client may also be in conflict with the acoustical environment. For example, a customer might have a historic building which they would like to use as a performing arts centre, where many performances demand high impact audio with impressive bass response. Another example could be a video wall in a glass and steel atrium, where the client wants to deliver an immersive AV experience, an occasional cinema night. There will be a wide open space with no walls, no ceilings nearby to mount additional speakers to. Here we see the complete CBT portfolio. To start with, let's look at the CBT 50, 100 and 200. For these models, the number denotes the length of the array. The CBT 50 comes in a compact 50 centimetre length for short throw, whereas the CBT 200 is a full 2 meters length for longer throw applications. These loudspeakers are ideal for speech and high quality music reproduction in house of worship and AV applications. They naturally reproduce audio down to 80 Hz, but are also ideal for foreground music if you support the low frequency with a subwoofer.
Now, let's move up to the high performance CBT 70 and CBT 1000 systems. Because the CBT technology prevents the beam narrowing as the frequency increases, we need more power in the treble. Therefore, even the tweeters in these systems have dual voice coils and neodymium magnets. In addition to these technologies, the bass drivers also have highly damped surrounds and copper shorting rings, just like you'll find in our performance audio products. The CBT 70 can output up to 125 decibels long-term continuous and bass response down to 60 Hz, and that's pretty serious. This makes them ideal for reference quality AV projects, houses of worship, anywhere where music reproduction is a really important element of the install. The CBT 1000 is even more potent and has the power output equivalent to our VRX performance array system and bass extension right down to 45 Hz, or the fun bit of the bass as I like to think of it. So, on that subject, what about the bass extenders? Well, they're available add-ons for foreground and performance audio music applications. When you add a bass extender, you increase your LF response and also improve the low frequency pattern control. You can still add a big old subwoofer to fill out the really fun bit of the low frequency, and then you can use these models as a serious front house system in a small to mid-sized venue.
Another great feature is all CBT models can be enhanced up to IP55 using the included accessories. So, we hope you found this video informative. Please do remember that further information on our CBT series is available either via the product website or the Harman Professional Training site.